Hello, today it's in May 26th, and somebody wanted to hear what the GMMG exhaust sounds like on the Camaro, so I figured I might as well fire it up, and let's get some sound out of here. So here we go. There you go. This is what it sounds like in idle. And it depends again on what kind of engine you're running in the vehicle, but it's from the front it's pretty docile, and as you get to the rear, there's the sound. That's on idle. Let's see here. Bring the RPMs up. So I'll put the camera towards the back. There you have it. That's a GMMG exhaust from GM Performance Parts. Sounds killer. Oh yeah, it'll definitely turn heads. So those of you who are looking for new exhausts, I highly recommend this one. It's well worth the money. I think I paid, I think it was $1,200 cat back system. So Canadian money, that is. So it'd be cheaper in the States. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Ciao for now.